Hello. Hi. How's it going? Just a quick announcement. I had some people reach out to me say, hey, how can I get in contact? Well, a while ago I tried setting up a burner email and then I just never read it. So I'm not going to do that. But what I have done is I've opened a Discord server. So link will be in the description, the Discord server. That's it. Get in touch with me. The most valuable thing I can get from you is your feedback. If you have any ideas for series you would like to see, video topics you would like to see, of course, obviously I can't take all of that into account, but that would be incredibly useful. Just setting expectations, I cannot be your personal IT troubleshooter. I mean, I sort of am to an extent, but I just don't have that much free time. But yeah, Discord server is open. Link in description. Another quick note, I've had a number of people also reach out to me and say, hey, do you have a Patreon or GitHub support, or is there any way that we can sort of help support you? At this point, I'm not hard up for cash. That's fine. It's fine, really. At this point, I want to sort of bring in support measures at a point where I feel that there's enough support that it would be cheap and I wouldn't be fleecing anybody. So it seems a little early at this point to set that up, because ultimately the education stuff is always free. It's always going to be free. And I understand. I myself support a lot of creators on Patreon just from the philosophical standpoint that if you see something that you like, you sort of have to vote with your wallet and support that, because otherwise who else will, right? I get it. And I do really appreciate that. Thank you. But at this point, it's still early days, and the most valuable thing you can do to help support the channel is give feedback on how you're finding the videos, what you're liking, what you're not liking, any topic ideas. And that feedback is really going to be valuable for me at this point. So anyway, just a quick update. Hope you have a good day, and I'll see you again soon with actual tutorials. Okay, bye.